All right, folks, you're with Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. And come in through the main doors, and my office is right in the corner right there. And I have this brand new 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X. Let's take a side profile here. You'll notice the bigger tires and notice the worn winch on the front here with the red recovery tow hooks. Trail cam on the front here, a little bit extra large fender flares. Jeep Wrangler trail rated 4x4. So these new Wranglers, they have the bigger screens in there, as you can tell. So fully loaded, hard top on this one, special deck link. Jeep since 1941, the original Jeep right there. A lot of competitors, a lot of imitators, and this one has a hitch on there. The backup camera's right in the middle there. That's all for now. Come see me, Mark Sugar at Dodge City, marksugardrives.com.